guys. Alright, welcome to our life in the Philippines. We're going to try to get through this mess of sand. Today we're going to the hospital to pick up some laboratory tests. My wife had a little procedure done, and we're just going to go and get the results today. That was done just before Christmas. However, it does take a lot of times for laboratories here, apparently, to get the test results back. We're looking at, it has been like 5 weeks, 6 weeks, maybe even more. So we're going to go up to St. Raphael. To the hospital and try to a narrow little corner here. But anyway, the ride is not very far. Just a couple of miles away. So it will not be a long ride, but I figure we share and bring you with us. At the same time do a little motor vlog, because this road takes you through the neighborhood. We're going out through the back door of the barangay, and then we're going up north to Mabalacat. Towards Mabalacat City. These speed bumps are all over the place. Has to have a gap in the middle, and you try to take down. Finally out here. So this should be straight right up here about 2, 3, 4 minutes, and then we are up there at the hospital at that point. some of it wouldn't even pass the inspections. Anyway, so yeah, we're already coming up on the hospital. You can see the medical center here in the like round building coming up on our left. So we're gonna go in here and if I can find the parking. Huh? I mean, there's plenty of parking in here. It's just the stupid way they all park. Question is, can I get through here? That's a little parking issue, but we're finally in, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, we just got back from the hospital, and eventually we're going to drop off the results to the doctor. But we looked at it, and Janice be fine,
Yes.
right? So,
But I
So-
don't know. This is not 100% fine.
no, there's some there's been some female problem, but
Yeah.
we don't need to get into detail on that. The good thing is that nothing was malignant, and that is the important part. So thank you for watching, and God bless. Bye bye.